Okay. So check this out. I am just so excited that I have to share. So if you are a business owner, you want to listen up. Okay, so we all know that it is January 2nd, 2023. Yesterday, on the 1st, I got a printout, a total report of my expenses for the entire year of 2022. So now I am prepared to go to my tax preparer because all I have to do is just hand in that piece of paper. Okay, so let me back it up. My name is Daria Jackson Legonier, co-founder of Online Success Made Simple. I found this amazing app that helps you to put all your receipts in order, your receipts, the categories, everything that is needed for you to take to your tax preparer for the prior year. So the best time to get started and to get organized is right now. So what you want to do is you want to go in the description in this video, well, not in the description in this video, but yeah, in the description in this video, and click on the link to this app. There's a free version and there's a paid version. So the reason why you want this app, number one, it saves plenty of time. Number two, never worry about what categories you can write off. The app will assist you with that. Number three, do not worry about organization. The app does all of that for you. Number four, keep track of all of your expenses. Keep track of everything that you have earned throughout the year as it happens. So no more sitting down at the end of the year trying to put it all together, agonizing, spending hours and hours at your desk, looking at receipts, trying to figure out what goes with what, because you will be organized and all of this will be all set up as you go along throughout the year. So in December 2023, you are ready. You are ready for your preparer, and all you have to do is just hit the print button.